Okay, everybody get that.
Please turn it off.
No, there's this one good part you can listen to.
I don't like you want to see technical music on here?
Yeah.
Technical?
Yes.
Technical? You want to see technical music on here?
Who? Austin?
No, the one right there.
George, you listen to techno music?
Well, I have something that might be.
Okay, come listen.
So I just still don't like
It's because you look like a hipster. If you weren't wearing your Breaking Benjamin shirt, you would look like a hipster.
Exactly.
Come on, we gotta get to the Van de Graaff generator.
It's like, really?
I don't know. I don't like all that. Come on.
I have
To the window. To the wall. So the sweat run down my balls. All the bitches crawl. Deep motherfucker. God damn.
You should record yourself.
Okay, get out of there.
The window. To the wall. Really?
My mom likes that song.
Oh my gosh. I dare you to like just break out a song like right now. Like just start screaming it. You dare me to do it? I'll do it. Coach is like Mickey Snow Scout.
Yeah, that's the music I don't like. Look how fast it's beating. Now see the beat?
Listen to this in your car.
You can't even dance to that. Okay, I got 20 minutes to do the So sound, we get to the sound.
Hey Austin, what time is it?
Let's get to the show.
I'm sorry. I mean, I should have gone on the camera.
Sure.
Hey, where's your phone?
No, Daniel, I have to stop you.
No, man. Yes, we wouldn't have shot that.
I've been waiting since